What is the interaction of gene? What is CIPRA? So CIPRA, what is gene? What is gene? Define the term gene. Let me define. हम आपको define करके बताते हैं. Gene देखो, gene a particular segment. Listen very sincerely. A particular segment of gene, a particular segment of DNA, a particular segment of DNA is called gene. And you know that it is the gene which controls the biological trait. It is the genes which controls the biological trait. Generally, we see that that is one gene controls one character. But there are some examples in which more than one genes interact together to develop a particular character, and this is known as the interaction of gene. That is, how will you define the term interaction of gene? The functional association. What is the not a structural association, rather the functional association of two genes for the development of a particular character or particular trait is known as the interaction of genes. So, as we know that one gene controls one character. On the other hand, more than one genes interact together to develop a particular character, and this is known as interaction of gene. And you can define the term interaction of gene as the functional association between the two genes for the development of a particular character is known as the interaction of genes. And still there are some other types of the genes which include the pleiotropic genes. What are pleiotropic genes? Pleiotropic genes, in case of pleiotropic genes, one gene is responsible for the development of more than one character. And such genes are known as pleiotropic genes, and the phenomenon is known as the pleiotropy. And in case of polygenic inheritance, more than two genes, two genes, a number of genes are involved in the inheritance of a particular trait. That is known as the polygenic inheritance. Now look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard.
Yes.
The whiteboard. Sangeeta?
Yes, sir.
Whiteboard. Is the whiteboard visible? Hello? Look,
Yes.
I have written today we are going to study the interaction of genes. Interaction of genes. I have written here the various types of the characters controlled by either single two genes. So first look at, I have written here the single gene controlling one trait. Two genes interacting together to develop a character. The third one is one gene controlling many characters, or one gene responsible for the development of other many characters, and such genes pleiotropic. I have written here pleiotropic genes, and many genes controlling a particular trait, and such genes are known as polygenes, and such inheritance is known as polygenic inheritance. Thus, I have defined here that interaction of gene can be defined as the functional association between the two characters. So, as the this interaction of genes are of various types. The first one is the epistasis. Second one is the gene. One is the inhibitory gene. The fourth one is the duplicate gene, and the fifth one is the additive relative. Of the three to three, the phenotype in the will be 9:3:4. In case of dominant epistasis, the phenotypic ratio will be 12:3:1. In case of complementary gene, the phenotypic ratio will be in the 9:7 ratio. In case of inhibitory gene, the phenotypic ratio will be 13:3. In case of duplicate gene, the phenotypic ratio will be 15:1. And in case of additive gene, the phenotypic ratio will be 9:6:1. And in all these cases, normal Mendelian dihybrid ratio, that is 9:3:1, has been multiplied either in 9:3:4, 12:3:1, 7:9:7, 13:3, 15:1, and 9:6:1. These are the 5 very important types of the interaction of gene which you have to study. The first one is the epistasis, and the epistasis is of two types: recessive epistasis. second one is the complementary gene, the third one is the inhibitory or suppressive gene, the fourth one is the duplicate gene, and the fifth one is the additive gene. Today we have started that a topic interaction of genes. Interaction of genes. We are studying interaction of